Hi chat! Welcome to another stream. It is about to be the 24th of December, which means we are about to do day 24 of Advent of Code, which means it is December 24th of 2020. How are y'all doing? I'm doing pretty well today. I skipped the morning stream today. I went to the dog park with Juice's Pupperoo. I've got some cute little photos that I took real quick while Juice was while Tofu was being distracted, because Tofu's easily distractible. Here's one Pupperoo photo, and here's another Pupperoo photo of Tofu being Tofu, tiny little Korg pupper. But that's why I didn't stream earlier today. But I'm here for this stream. So this should be fun. Other than that, I'm doing well. Let me say hi to everyone who's here. Sammy Wallace was first. I think that's your first, Sammy Wallace. I could be wrong. Oh man, I'm gonna have to go blow my nose. I will be right back. Sorry. Yeah, otherwise I'm gonna be sniffing the whole stream, and nobody wants that. Rollers is here too. How's it going, Rollers? And Metabytes, first JK. Indeed. Metabytes, have you seen your new fancy badge? I don't know if you've been here since those existed. Hey, what's up, Edwins? Hello. And Dakabab, good to see you. And Foffy Scrimshaw. I don't know if I've seen that name before. Welcome to the stream, Foffy Scrimshaw. Hey, what's up, Dragon Slayer? Hello. Good to see you again. And Ethan, how's it going? Ethan, did you see I found a bug in MyPy? Well, in MyPy C. Thanks to Advent of Code. Let's see, I can never remember where the MyPy C GitHub is. MyPy C GitHub. Oh, it's MyPy C / MyPy C. Stack Overflow segfault during garbage collection on deeply nested circular object. Spoilers for yesterday's Advent of Code. I had a deeply nested circular object, and it stack traces, which was fun. But anyway, that was yesterday. That was fun. But it does make the program go super fast relative to plain C Python, so at least it's doing something right before it crashes. Puppy Tax paid stream can start now. Indeed. Hey, what's up, Leet Rose? Hello. Good to see you again. I saw the bug. Oh, I see. Aneurysm says, this is apparently a good puzzle for bug hunting. One reported Ruby bug turned out to be bad code. Imagine using recursion in Python. I mean, this is recursion at the C stack, not the Python stack. So, yeah. Scrimshaw says, I've been here a few times and seen you in some Coding Guy streams. Oh, nice. Well, welcome. Good to have you. Mathematica bug confirmed. That's pretty nuts. Anyway, let me get things opened. We got 10 minutes to go. Oh, just got a weird shiver. Hopefully that's okay. CP-R day 00 to day 24. The penultimate day, chat. We are almost done with our 2020 Advent of Code journey. Put you in the right spot. ASC day 24. This will be the longest number of days in a row that I've done Advent of Code. Because usually I go home for the holidays, but lol, 2020, not happening this year. What do I usually do here? PyTest part2.py and Python part2.py. And then FC 2 to 1. And then download input 2020-24. Alright, I have a feeling today is going to be pretty tricky. MyPy C doesn't have time to worry about silly things like correctness and not crashing. That's funny. The other first says, hello, how was your puppy day? It was good. We went to a local park and climbed up a big tall hill, and Tofu was real tired by the time we got up the hill, which was predictable. And then we went to a doggy park, and Tofu's hilarious. She is like super afraid of other puppers. Like, will not socialize with dogs at all, but she'll just walk up to any person and try and like, pet me, please. Please love me. She loves people, but not so much other dogs, which is kind of funny. But Tofu had a decent time. She was very tired by the time we got to the dog park though, so it was, I don't know, more of a Tofu in a daze kind of situation. But it was pretty nice. The dog park that we went to has a big dog section and a little dog section, and Tofu was by far the smallest dog in the small section. So Mel was like, "Do you think we could go to the big dog section?" I was like, "Tofu's smaller than all the dogs in the small section. She's gonna get eaten in the big dog section." So yeah, but that was fun. Yeah, and then since then I've been working on pre-commit CI all day. I kind of wanted to do some head down work on that, and done a couple of things. I did my first data migration, which was fun. With zero downtime, so I did it correctly. I was a little concerned about like the number, keeping all the steps in my head, and it worked out fine. It was basically dropping a column and making sure that all the interactions still work. I did find one bug in my staging environment, so stage environments are great. I found a bug where it would log you out incorrectly, so now it is logging out correctly. Related to the data migration that I did, so I fixed that. Actually, it wasn't a logout bug. It was more that like you were logged in, but you couldn't edit a thing that you were supposed to be able to edit due to inconsistency. But fixed the inconsistency, so that's all good. And I realized why my auto updates have been crashing. There's a second install state called suspended, which I was not handling at all. And so now I'm handling suspended, and it seems to be working better. But I added suspend to the main app. I need to do it in the other microservices, but anyway. Hey, what's up, Michaela? Hello. Welcome. Keither says the opposite of me. Nice. Nice. Can we have a surprise day 26? I mean, with the way the year 2020 is going, you never know. There might be a day 26. Dragon Slayer says daytime was fun. Well, all the days were except for 20 part 2. I finally did the day 10, the adapter combination. Oh yeah, that one was kind of cool. I like that one. Hey, what's up, Chico Codes? Hello. Michaela says 400th. Indeed. The stream I might hit 100k. Oh, channel points? Oh my goodness. Amidoto says day 20 part 2 was a lot for an AOC puzzle. There's been more involved ones before. Michaela says I can't imagine doing day 7. What was day 7? Oh, the bags. You could do the bags, Michaela. I think you could do that one. It's not too bad. It's a lot to think about, but it's the problem's not that hard, I think. Like the idea is simple. The implementation is you know, you have to think. I mean, there's like two main approaches to it. And you kind of have to know how to approach it, but like if you follow any sort of recursion tutorial, it'll help you. But anyway, here's Paparu. I'm gonna close these tabs so that I am organized. But say bye to Tofu. Being Tofu. Tofu's not here today, but what is that? The same hat works really well in that one too. Int code was more involved, but only if you didn't refactor between puzzles. I didn't refactor between int code puzzles, and I was fine. I guess my first int code implementation was just good enough to reuse. But I don't know how you could write a bad int code. Then again, I was happy with my implementation, so maybe that's why I can't fathom that. But yeah. I kind of suspect today is going to be a very, very difficult one. So we might be streaming for a long time tonight. Because this is, well, I don't want to spoil it. But 24 is usually the last difficult one. The answer says it's Christmas holidays for me now. I'll try to catch up on ASC in next week. Nice. I don't know how people can write bad code, just write good code. Kind of. I refactored my int code enough until it started printing ASCII lines from day 25, one move in advance. Oh. I still haven't finished 2019, so I don't even know about 25 yet. Hey, hope it takes you a long time so you have a longer stream. I mean, today's is probably going to be the most difficult puzzle, so we'll see. CJ says, int code made me quit about halfway through last year. I quit after the, well, I put it on hold indefinitely after the mathy puzzle on day 22. Yesterday took you a heckin' while too. I mean, kind of. It was mostly that I was debugging a +1 that didn't exist for a long time. But, you know, 2 hours actually this is pretty reasonable. It is my slowest solve this year other than 20 part 2. It's not my worst rank though, but it's definitely my slowest solve. But I felt like, you know, it wasn't too slow. It was reasonable. I wasn't completely happy with it, but you know, it was alright. Unlimited Bytes, how's it going? 4 minutes to put everything up, let's go? I think you can do it. Mine's just like CP-R, up, enter kind of dealio. But anyway, let me, oh, did I sit today? Bang today? I did not. Let me get that before the time runs out. Day 24. And just a reminder to everyone watching, during solves, I will mostly be ignoring chat and notifications until the end. So if somebody comes into the channel with raid or whatever, give them a warm welcome, shout out their channel, etc. Give people something to click on. Yeah, but I'll be ignoring chat during that. Eric's here. How's it going? MOTT, playing Advent of Code. It's true. That is the game we are playing tonight. Until it ends up being a real game, and then oh my. Oh. Maze puzzle? It's kind of the last day. It could be a maze puzzle, I think. Dragon Slayer says, I don't remember day 22 being too bad. I think it was just a quick trick to CP algorithms. Oh, it was some mathy thing. There's some prime something or another that I just didn't know. I didn't know the math behind it, so I was never going to be able to solve it, I think. The other server says, have you thought about including AWS stuff like running a Python app in EC2? Do you mean like on my Explain series? Yeah, I actually plan to go over running a simple web app in Lambda at some point, but I haven't done that yet. I sent them OT that when the guy was like, wow, you aren't playing a game. Oh yeah, I remember that. Have we got a maze yet? Nope, no mazes this year. We on this channel we bet about it being a maze, and so far I've been wrong. Well, I've been wrong every time I thought it was going to be a maze. There's been a few days where I'm like, no, it's not going to be a maze today. Can we keep it that way? Backpack says, don't know what to do once it finishes after 2 days. Oh, do you have like some long-running implementation of one of your code? Of one of your, one of the problems of day 23? It's gonna take forever. I saw day 20 with breadth first search. Yeah, I didn't. I just went line by line. But hello again, Mark Sands. Good to see you. Maybe you'll be amazed today, says Rollers. We'll see. Anyway, good luck to everyone who's trying the puzzles today. Hopefully things go well. And I'll see you on the other side. Press enter and click on this. Let's go. Oh, it's a maze. It's a maze. It's a maze, chat. It's a maze. Snoo, 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 snoo. Oh god, no! Input, what is our expected? Maybe it's not a maze. I think it's a coloring. List of tiles need to be flipped over. Each line in the list identifies a single tile that needs to be flipped by giving a series of steps starting from a reference tile in the very center of the room. Each line starts from the same reference. Because the tiles are hexagonal... Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Hex coordinates. Hex coordinates? I've never dealt with hex coordinates before. Tiles identified by a series of directions with no delimiters. ESENEE identifies the tile you land on if you start at the reference tile and then move one tile east, one tile southeast, and one tile northeast, and one tile east. Each time a tile is identified, it flips from white to black or from black to white. Tiles might be flipped more than once. Does it only flip the one at the end? Oh god, I don't even know how to represent hexagonals. How many tiles are left with the black side up? Splashly! Thank you for the raid! Welcome, welcome! Damn, I have no idea. I don't even know how to do hexagonal coordinates. How do you represent those? Hex grid. What orientation is the hexagon, though? It has 6 neighbors. East, southeast. Okay. So we have east, we have southeast. East, southeast, presumably southwest, west, northeast, and northwest. Okay, so that's our hexagon. We can probably pretend these are points, and then this is a coordinate that's like... Yeah, we can probably just map it as the centers. And then represent tiles that way. So what is this? This is +2. This is 1, 2. This is +2. Right? Look, I don't know. Transparent. Oh, that didn't work how I wanted it to. Look at this hexagonal tiling. Totally legit. +2, +1, -2, +2. Yeah, let's do it that way. For line in s.strip.splitlines. Import collections. Collections dot default dict bool. What is the default of bool? False, right? Yeah. If line dot starts with east, then chord equals 0, 0. Then chord, well, x equals y equals 0. Then chord x plus equals 2. Elif line dot starts with northeast. Then chord x plus equals 1 and chord y plus equals 2. Plus equals minus 2. Yeah, sure. Okay. And then we gotta do the south ones. Oh, we have to do the I updates here. I plus equals 2. I think this is going to work. So let's see. If we plus 2, minus 1. Yeah. That's how we're going to represent this. And then what is the return? How many black tiles? Do they start white? Oh, we need to, at the end of this, do DCT xy equals not DCT xy. In the above example, 10 are flipped once to black, 5 more are flipped twice to black and then to white. So we're going to say true is black. Return sum DCT dot values. Unbound. Shit. Okay. The top floor lobby is meant to be a living art exhibit. Every day the tiles are flipped according to the following rules. Is this Conway's Game of Life again? A black tile with 0 or more than 2 black tiles immediately adjacent is flipped to white. Here tiles immediately adjacent means that 6 tiles, okay. In the above example, the number of black tiles that are facing up after the given the rules are applied simultaneously to every tile. Put another way, it is first determined which tiles need to be flipped, then they are all flipped at the same time. Okay, this is Game of Life, which has been quite the theme this year. Okay, so we apply those first, and then rules are applied simultaneous to every tile. Put another way, it is first determined which files need to be flipped, then they are all flipped at the same time. Hey, what's up? Oh, user335, thank you for the raid. Sorry I missed your raid. I'm zoning in on this right now. My viewers should check out your channel. And Cybel S, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Any black tile with 0 more than 2 black tiles immediately adjacent to it is flipped to white. Any white tile with exactly 2 black tiles immediately adjacent to it is flipped to black. With 0 or more than 2 black tiles. So black we're representing with true. So I'm just going to do the same mark and sweep that we did before. And flip those, I guess. We only need to count black tiles, so we only need to count black tiles. So let's change this from a dictionary to a set. That will make this easier. Black tiles equals set. If XY in black tiles, so discard XY, else. Okay, so then we need to mark everything around it. Count equals collections.counter for XY in black tiles. Directions equals 0, 2, 0, -2. This is shit. I did this wrong. 2, 0, -2, 0, 1, 2, -1, 2, 1, -2, and -1, -2. So those are all of our directions. For direction in directions, counts. Let's see, dx, dy in directions counts x plus dx, y plus dy. Parentheses doesn't do anything here, but we're gonna do it anyways. Plus equals 1. Okay. So any black tile with 0 or more, we do kind of need to know the white tiles around things. With exactly black 2 tiles immediately adjacent to it is flipped to black. Any black tile with 0 or more immediately adjacent to it is flipped to white. The rules are applied simultaneously to every tile. Put it another way, is first determine which tiles need to be flipped, then they are all flipped at the same time. That sentence is really confusing. Really, really confusing. Really confusing. Let's just assume. Any black tile with 0 or more than 2 black tiles immediately adjacent is flipped to white. Okay, for XY in black tiles. In this, we need to tuple this to figure out whether it is black or white. If counts XY is equal to 0 or counts XY 2 or more, where more than 2 is greater than 2, then black tiles dot discard XY. And then we need to loop through all the counts that are exactly 2. For XY, count in. Hey, what's up, Enzitoe? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Counts dot items. Man, counts is a risky variable. Okay, so now we need to. I don't need you anymore. We need to loop around all the things. Any white tile with exactly 2 black tiles immediately adjacent to it is flipped to black. So we need to find things that are 2 and are white. If count equals 2 and XY not in black tiles. Black tiles dot add XY. And then we need to do this 100 times. I guess. How do I parentheses? Not very well, apparently. 0. Shit. Break a point. Let's see what we got here. This should be 10. And it definitely is. Oh. This should be 10. And it is. Okay, let's try that now. We're off by some number. Fuck. It's probably because we're flipping some and then flipping it back. Black tiles by equals 2. Discard black tiles or equals 2. Add. Does that give us the right answer? Still 2 untitled? What? What? Shit. Any white tile with exactly 2 black tiles. Oh, this is supposed to be... for dy, dx, dy in directions. This is a white tile with exactly 2 black tiles immediately adjacent to it. Oh, that's right. The count is 2, and it's not a black tile. Then we need to turn it to black. Any black tile, so for all the black tiles, if the count is 0, 0 or more than 2 black tiles immediately adjacent, it is flipped to white. Let's see what we get here. So we have the first one right, we have the second one wrong. Do we only apply the rules once? It never really said. Let's try only applying the rules once. Let's see what that does. That's so stupid. That's so stupid. That's so stupid. You know, that was really unclear. Did it actually say that, or did it not say that? Hmm. 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 Okay, well, whatever. Fuck it. Fuck it! Did I beat T-Bot-T? Probably not. Private leaderboard. I am 17 points behind, so I did not beat T-Bot-T. But I didn't fall. I'm now 30 points ahead here. Yeah. I think I was 29 ahead? Wait, that doesn't make sense. Anyway, that was a little annoying. Let me get rid of my prints. Hey, what's up, Doomra? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Okay, let me catch up on chat, because, oh my goodness. Unnamed Troll says, good evening, hackers. Hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. Lemon Sauce, how's it going? Good to see you again. Hexagons are the best of gods. Wait, what video is that? I don't know if I know that video. Hey, what's up, Juicebox Hero? Hello, hello. And Splashly, thank you again for the raid. Hey, what's up, CK Diary? How's it going? 3D chords are basically hexes. Gotta spam a bit for chat plot, yeah. Hi, Twitch staff. Yeah, that's pretty bad, yeah. Says, hi there, noob here. Do you think learning to solve algorithmic problems helps you land a job when you are trying to do a career change in your mid-20s? I mean, an unfortunate part of the industry is algorithmic, silly problems. So yes and no. It's been unfortunate, but you kind of have to. Hey, what's up, Smoke Bath? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Hand hacks. How's it going? Hello, hello. User 355. Howdy, got a raid and dash. Wife is calling me. It's all good. I'll see you around. Thank you for the raid again. Hey, what's up, Captain Falcon? Hello, hello. Such art, very hexagon. Wow. Hey, what's up, Suavi? Hello, hello. Perhaps hexagons really are the best guns. Eric's such a shitposter. Such hex, very agon. Wow. Oh no. I'm pretty sure Eric only does this for opportunities for shitposting. Still not over yesterday's crab rave. It's true, it's true. Aneurysm with the star emoji. Thank you, Aneurysm. It's a third Conway's Game of Life. Yes, but now in hexagon. Percentage of browsers versus non-browsers. That's tricky since user agent strings are noise and garbage. Yeah, it's true. It's true. Let's make an ASC 21 question out of it and let other ones solve it. Yeah, I mean, fortunately, I think I'm pretty good on this, Oh, why is there a new line there? I don't put new lines at the beginning of blocks. Oh, must have been because I moved the code. I just did find this user agent string in my logs. MATLAB R 2019B update 4. Oh no. I heard once you flip black, you can never flip back. Oh no. Hey, what's up, T-Bot-T? Yeah, you won today. You won today. Anything 2 minutes for this challenge. This will probably be the hardest one of this year. This actually wasn't that bad. I feel like today was a typing speed test. I had to think about how to think about hex in coordinate pairs, or at least how to simulate it. But once I figured that out, it wasn't so bad. Off by 2208er. Yeah. Oh, actually, was I getting 2019? 2091. It would have been funny if it was 2019. I'm Python dash requests. Oh, gross. We don't let requests in this channel. Oh, is my chatbot broken? Because y'all did Bang Babby at the oh, you just all did it at the same time. That's amazing. But Kazooie says, what is Babby? It is my text editor that I wrote from scratch. The trifecta, yeah, that was so good. So good. TOT says, hey Denny, you're going for one iteration too long. No, it's because I was applying the masks every single time when I didn't need to do that. Typed Python, indeed. I do all my stuff in types now. Let's see, explained my typing. I have some videos where I talk about that as well if you want to check those out. TOT says I got 50 points today. Nice! That's awesome. I didn't get any points. That's fine. It's from You Suck at Cooking. Oh. Oh, I think I have seen that now that I think about it. Thank you for that, according to Bo. Here are some things it wasn't. Wait, why did Bang Babby not work that time, Michaela? Oh, the bot immediately died. There's some weird race condition here that I don't know what's going on here, but anyway, it should be back now. What's the trigger? Oh, Linux is 1 in 10. That one's 1 in 10. Hey, what's up, outputlogic? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. And actually, there's like a micro bug. If you do bang Linux, it matches not as a... It matches as a not command, but as an actual text-based match. And so it will just silently do nothing sometimes. But if you do like Windows or Emacs or Linux or Nano, sometimes all 4 of those words are trigger words. So if you just spam those 4 words, eventually it will complain at you. There we go. It used to do it every single time, but then it was too obnoxious, so we turned it down a little bit. Cedar Callie says, "Bang, explain." Oh, I see. How to learn the code. I do have a video that's my advice for getting started with programming. But anyway, let's commit these. Python part 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I probably could have switched to a set for part 1 as well, but I'm okay not doing that. And oh, I wonder if we can do this one in sqlite. I think we can do this one in sqlite. Let's see, how would I do this? We can definitely do the parsing. We can do some mod 2 to figure out whether it's colored. I can definitely do part 1. I can 100% do part 1 in sqlite. Part 2 is a game of life problem. Could I do part 2? Yeah, I could do part 2. Probably. Get day 20. Oh, that. These are just wrong. Day 23. Day 24. Somehow those were the only 2 I messed up. Day 24 init. Day 24 part 1. Day 24 input. Day 24 part 1. Do you guys want to see it in SQLite? Does MyPy have some types like Rust or Haskell? I don't know. I don't think so. I don't remember what a sum type is. Sum type indicates that a value that is either X or Y or Z. Oh, it's a union, right? Tagged union. MyPy has the concept of a union. It's not quite as powerful as the tagged union, but yes, it does. Dict tuple int bool. Or we could switch this to a set. Yeah, if I'm gonna touch this line, we're gonna just change it to a set. If x, y in black tiles. If x, y in black tiles, otherwise black tiles dot discard x, y. Black tiles dot add x, y. I wish there was like a toggle. I don't think there is though. And this probably actually changes the execution speed slightly. I'm surprised it's slower. I guess dictionaries are uber fast. Oh, it's slightly faster, okay. Or at least the fastest one was slightly faster. Hey, what's up? Najahiski? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, links are allowed in chat. It's a programming stream, so lots of links. 137 says, wait, I thought you were using a window manager. It looked weirdly like one on the thumbnail. Use Bang WM and you will learn about my window manager. Why not use one? use Bang WM and you'll learn about my window manager. DDL says, that time you fat fingered the input for the puzzle, then you have to wait 1 minute to resubmit. Oh no. Learn an array programming language. Trick Timer says, I've spinted empty answers in AOC way too many times. Can you disallow that? Sammy Wallace says, readme is inconsistent the last 2 entries. Oh yeah, no, I totally fucked that up. I just fixed it. Sammy Wallace. Reamd. See, fixed them now. Fix them now. Day 24, part 1. Hey, what's up, iSatisfied? Hello. Generally requires a non-white space or it throws an error at you. Oh, nice. Well, changing the heckin' cooldowns so that I don't immediately have to wait 10 minutes after giving the wrong answer. Yeah, linking code is loud, Swabby. I already saw that, though. But only links to W3 schools. Gas Blast, there you go. Day 24, part 1 does not need collections. Day 24, part 2. Kinda slow, not gonna lie. Kinda surprised, but also don't really care. Reamd. Day 24 input.text. Tweeple. My brackets are wrong here, so we'll jump back and fix that. Okay, do we want to see this in SQLite or not? What do you think, chat? Let's see it? Okay. I'll go fill my water. And then we're going to try and do this one in SQLite. And we're at least going to do part 1. Part 2 might be too hard. But I will see you in a sec. Hello. I'm back. Autoscaling works great for almost every possible use case, except all of your users visit at the same millisecond, which I unfortunately have. It's true. Okay, so how do I want to pursue this in SQLite? I think what I need to do... is build up rows where I have some sort of sentinel value when I reach the new line. And then sum those. Yeah. That's what we're gonna try and do. That's what we're gonna try and do, chat. Input 2.text. Hey, what's up, Kevin Joberg? Merry Christmas. Well, it's Christmas Eve, I guess, ish, kind of. How the F are you so fast? My water doesn't fill up that fast. I just went bloop. I have a jug. I have a jug of water. But yes, that is why Eric is a VIP, is because Eric created this whole thing. But good to see you again, Kevin Joberg. Okay, which day? Which day are we gonna copy from? Day 13 was the last one we did. Maybe that one's the best code? Art2.sqlite.sql. Oh yeah, this is the bus problem. Sure, we will copy from that. Art1.sqlite.sql. Input 2, we are not going to trim it because we actually need that very important new line at the end. And we're going to do create table. Create table what? Can I do this without creating a table? Yeah, I think we can do this without creating a table. I think we can do it all in one recursive call. What do we need? We definitely need rest. And we need X, we need Y. We need end, which, or EOL, which will be a bit. And so when we get to the end of the line, we will set that to true. Yeah. Okay. So select 0, 0, false, and select input.value from input. That'll be our base case. So then we gotta do our X and Y. See case substr nn.rest 0, 1. Is that how that works? sqlite, select sqlite 3. Select substr. It's been a while since we've done sqlite. 0, 1. This is the empty string. Why do I have this? This could never possibly work. It has to be 1, 1, right? Yeah. Interesting code that I wrote before that somehow works, but I don't know how it works. Select star from hexagons where answer here equals yes, right? Why am I VIP? I'm unworthy. If it's called sequel, does that mean there's a first one? Okay. Case this. This should be 1, 1. When E, then when W, then nn dot x plus 2, nn dot x minus 2. Otherwise, oh, I guess when char 10, then nn.x. Else we need to do the two-length substrings. Case subster nn.rest 1, 2. When any, then nn.x plus 1. When nw, then nn.x minus 1. When se, then nn.x plus 1. When sw, then nn.x minus 1. Else assume that'll error. and so that's x. Case subster nn.rest 1, 1. When e, then nn.y. When west, then nn.y. When char 10, then nn.y. I guess we could just do else for this case here, right? So if I do, yeah. We could just do this then. When ne, then nn.y plus 2. When nw, that's y. Okay, subster nn.rest 1, 1. When char 10, then 1, else 0. And so this is our bit for whether we are at the end of a line and we are coloring a square. And then we gotta do our rest case subster, and then we actually just need this whole case thing here. Oh, we actually have two problems here. We need to reset x and y back to 0 when this happens. So we probably need an extra row there to do that. But let's do the rest first. Subster nn.rest. Two. I wonder if the query planner will hit me here. Okay, so that's actually most of it. But now we have to do my actual state management. We need to reset back to 0. Case n dot ul when 1 then 0 else yeah, we gotta do that. We gotta do the same thing for here as well. We just have to do it for all of these. Okay, let's see what that does. Select star from NN. Let's see what that looks like for our sample input after we work out the syntax errors. No such table error. Okay, I guess we will just do -1 for this. That'll be an easy enough thing to find, hopefully. Query planner got me. Oh, I forgot the termination condition. Wait, why did we go immediately to here? What? So this is our... Okay, that's correct. Case nn.ul, which should be 0. When 1, then 0. Okay. Otherwise, when the substring of the rest is east, the first one is southeast. So it shouldn't have been E, W, or char 10. So we should jump into here. Oh, this should be... Yeah, no, 1, 2 is right. When northeast, then that. When southeast, we should get +1. Put some temp variables in here. Temp 1, temp 2. Subster nn.rest11. And we'll do 1, 2. This is the print debugging for SQLite. We get S and SE. And then we get -1? Oh. This is the fucking binary text shit again. There we go. Man, if I wouldn't have solved that other puzzle with this, I would have never figured this out. 10 has 6 values. Why did we immediately end here? Oh, I didn't hit 30. Let's do where nn.ul. Select. Can you group by 2 things in SQL? Group by SQLite. SQLite group by clause. Where's the goddamn railroad? Here we go. Group by. Where's your select statement SQLite railroad? Give me the railroad. There we go. Group by. Okay, we can have commas. Okay, cool. group by nn.x, nn.y. So we want okay. Having count 1 mod 2 equals 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we just need to sum all of this. So select count 1 from and then if I do this, look at how speedy this is. That's actually slower than usual. I'm surprised that it is slower. It's still faster than Python though. Okay, anyway, that's part 1. Day 24 part 1 in sqlite. Now, to somehow do a Conway's Game of Life in this. Let's see. How can I do this? I can probably use a trigger. Yeah. So we know the coordinates where... So these will be our coordinates that are black. It's the drop song chat. No such column. I was gonna say. Let's set this to input 2 so that we can actually know what's going on. Okay, so these are the coordinates that are black. 0, 0 is black? Interesting. And so then we need to somehow implement our game of life based on this. And run it for 100 turns. Let's see. One way that we could do this is have a counter that we just increment, and as it increments, we have a trigger side effect that computes the counts and then updates the tables. Yeah, let's do that. Oh, we still had buses there. Create table. Black squares. X int and Y int. Oops. Well, not the mint. Okay, so those are black squares. Hey, what's up, Bikoi? Hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. Join tables. Fucking binary text shit. Yeah, I got screwed up by that on a freebase puzzle. So how am I gonna do this? Let's just do create table counter. That is a thing. Iter. And int. And then what's up, Bikoi? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you are doing well. Okay. Create temp trigger trig after update on iter begin. Oh, there's like a condition that I can use here. When? Yeah. When new.n is less than 100. In end. Update iter set n equals 0. This is how we start it. And at the end, we need to do update iter set n equals new.n plus 1. This will allow us to update through that. So just to make sure our loop is working, we get to 100. Cool. Okay, so our loop is working. We've got a loop, kind of. Hi Satisfied says, Anthony, can you talk about boring stuff for a little bit? I need to sleep, but can't fall asleep. Oh no. Bikoi says, I'm doing good. How about you? I'm doing well. Hey, what's up, Clear Hunch? Hello, hello. And Sliver says, gotta sleep too. It's 7 a.m. Sounds good, sounds good. Well, thank you for stopping by. So we're gonna make a counts table, which is going to have x, y, and int. X, int, y, int, and int. And we are going to start by doing delete from counts, and then what? Oh, we need to select a bunch of sub-selects? Oh, this is gonna be gross. Hey, what's up? Apple Attack lol. Apple Attack! Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Is that a Pokemon reference? That seems like a Pokemon reference. Is that a thing? There's a move called Apple Acid? What? Appleton's signature move. I don't know, man. Is that a Pokemon reference? Yeah. Right? Okay, we need to do insert into counts. Select x, y, count 1 from a giant union table. As inner group by inner.x, inner.y. Select what? Black squares. Select, yeah, black squares. Dot x plus 2. This is all the directions. -1, +1, +1, +2. Oh, we gotta name these though. Shorter variable name there. As x, as x, as x. Oh, we actually don't need this third column because we're just using count. As y, as y, as y. Okay, so we dump our const table, we regenerate it. Then what do we need to do? Day 23 was just published on YouTube. Oh yeah. I published them 25 hours after after I stream because of my partner agreement. Apparently there's a plant called Saxifraga. It grows flowers between rocks. Interesting. There's a Pokemon named after the city I live in. Which Pokemon is that? Bkoi says, man, I miss Python so much. Been trying to learn C#. I really like C#. C# is great. Appleton is evolved from Flapple. Yes, there is a Gigantamax Flapple. Wait, is Appleton the city? Doxed? Well, I can spell. Oh, sure shit. Cool. Okay, this marks all our squares. And then we have to do this. Oh, this is easy though. I think we should do... Actually, this is hard, because flipping these... Oh wait, well, they'll never be this case. Because we skip both these here. Okay, so we can do these in 2 steps. I don't know why I did this in such a weird way. Delete from black where where select select count from select what? No. What is counts? Select n from counts where counts.x equals black.x and counts.y equals black.y equals 0, or it is greater than 2. That should be our delete. Then we gotta do this. Select xy from counts where n equals 2 and select count 1 from black where black.x equals counts.x. And black.y equals counts.y. So this should be inserted in black, xy from counts where it's 2 and it is not marked. What's up, God City? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. And I guess let's just try it, see what happens. Here on line 84, it's gonna be here, and then I'm never gonna be able to find it. Oh. Let's binary search the syntax error. Oh, we still have it. It isn't here then. Oh, we have an extra union all down here. Okay. I have no visibility into what it is doing. Not consuming any CPU, that's for sure. Oh yeah, it is. Oh, it's very much consuming CPU. Weird. Very weird. Let's stop this for a sec. Let's just do n is less than 1. So we'll do 1 round of this and see what happens. $18, that's not right. That's not right. We should have gotten 15. Should have gotten 15. Well, we can figure out what we got. Yeah, we gotta figure out what we got. Alright, what do we expect to get? Part2.py. Dang it. We need to do PyTest. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's put some sorting in here to figure out what we've got wrong. Order by XY. That looks good, 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 that looks good. That looks good. That looks good. 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 Good as well. And then shit goes weird down here. We get 2, -4. I don't know where you come from. We get 3, -2. That's expected. We get 3, 6, and 4, 0. I don't know where you come from. Where do you come from? My guess is the discarding is not working. That is my guess. Yeah, because here's where we have 3, 6, and 4, 0. And so... and we just discard 4, 0, 3, 6. Okay, so our deletes are not working. I really like working on these because they're very, very fun to puzzle out. Oh. This case is probably not happening. Because we don't have a default value here. So I think we can do... oops. sqlite 3, create table what n select n from what where n equals 2, 3 is null. Okay, so we can do is null. That didn't tell us anything. Select count 1 from black. Dang it. Select count 1 from black. 15! I think that means that we have a slow but working solution. Maybe. My god, is it slow. I do remember it being particularly slow. The deeper the recursion stack goes, because it has to basically build up a giant transaction for all of these operations. Because it can't commit in the middle, and that's why recursive triggers are a bad idea in general. But it does give us the answer. Is that the right... that's for this one. What is the answer that we get for the Python solution here? how big is the number? Because the number's too big. I don't know this is ever going to complete. Oh, it's not that big. So, I mean, fuck it, let's try it. Get rid of my debugs here. And change this to input. And then we'll see what happens. And this is the value that we expect. That took that much time. I forgot to put time in front of the sqlite. We haven't done it yet. We'll see if this actually returns a decent value. If it takes too long, there are some strategies I can do to split up the commits. So what I can basically do is run 10 turns separately and just do, you know, an insert and trigger based on the insert. This is what I did for the int code computer because I needed the int code computer to run for much longer. It is kind of like multi-threading in a way. It's multi-transaction. It's taking a 100 deep transaction, then splitting it up into like maybe 10 deep transactions. But yeah, it should be chewing up my CPU here and taking a lot of time. And the memory, you'll see the memory slowly grows here, but I think that'll give a solution. Completed! Did we get the right answer? Yes! I'm spent day 24 in sqlite. Feels good. We did a Conway's Game of Life in sqlite. I'd say that's a success. Alright, anyway, chat, that's gonna wrap us up for today. Let me do my spiel, and then we'll send you off to another channel. My name is Anthony. I upload my previous content to YouTube. That's youtube.com/AnthonyWritesCode. I upload previous streams, so check those out, as well as Advent of Code Solutions, where I explain approaches to the problems and why I thought about things in particular ways, and no spoilers there. And I also upload daily educational videos on a wide array of topics from Python to Git to DevOps to Docker to whatever you want to know. You ask questions and I explain them on stream. I stream Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday. I announce my streams in 2 places. One of those is twitter.com/codewithanthony, where basically, well, I didn't stream today, so there's no announcement for today. But there's usually an announcement there. There's usually also an announcement in Discord. And I will be there tomorrow for the very last Advent of Code stream of the year. So stop by for that tomorrow as well for the grand finale of it all. But thank you all for stopping by, and let's go find someone to raid.